It's week number 3, and it's Topic Tuesday. This week, I want to talk to you about two related concepts: correlation and causation. Most scientists, when they conduct research, are trying to understand causal relationships. Why and how and what causes something to happen. Sociologists may be interested in the concept of poverty or wealth, for example, and may ask the question, what causes someone to be poor or what causes someone to be wealthy? If you can find a single variable that determines whether or not someone is poor or wealthy, then you've established a causal relationship, or you've established causation. Now, in the sciences, it's nearly impossible to establish causation. Causation is the gold standard in science, but in order to prove a causal relationship, in order to say that two variables are causally related, you need to establish three things. Let's keep with this example of wealth and poverty. And let's say, for example, that we think education causes someone to be wealthy or the lack of it causes someone to be poor. The first thing we'd have to do is establish a correlation. And we know there are some links between education and income. The next thing you would need to do is establish time order. We need to figure out if one variable comes before the other. In this case, does education happen before someone becomes rich or poor? If someone is wealthy and then gets an education, then we know education had no bearing on their wealth status. The final thing you have to establish, and this is the hardest point, you have to rule out all alternative explanations. Other than education, can you think of anything else that would cause someone to be wealthy or poor?